The right espresso machine can transform coffee at home or in the office. Professionals value flavor, consistency, and control, and the best machines deliver all three. Here are 5 expert-reviewed picks designed for serious espresso lovers. Number 1. Best overall, DeLonghi La Specialista Opera Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi La Specialista Opera offers a mix of traditional barista craft and modern convenience. It's built for coffee enthusiasts who want both control and reliability. Reliable, durable, and professional in every sense. Ideal for users who enjoy hands-on brewing with a touch of automation. Features about DeLonghi La Specialista Opera Espresso Machine. Dual heating system for quick brewing and steaming. Built-in grinder with sensor for accuracy. Smart tamping for consistent pressure. Latte system for velvety froth. Why I like it. Each shot feels consistent. Grinding and tamping are smooth with minimal mess. Perfect balance between manual skill and automated support. Why I didn't like it. The machine is quite large. Some users may find it takes time to master. Number 2. Best smart option, Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Touch Impress takes technology seriously. It combines smart features with the ability to brew rich espresso effortlessly. A feature-rich option that combines smart technology with espresso quality. Excellent for users who want convenience with customization. Features about Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine. Touchscreen display with step-by-step guidance. Programmable drink profiles. 30 grind levels for customization. Thermojet heating for quick readiness. Why I like it. Custom profiles make life easier in multi-coffee households. The fast heat-up is perfect for busy mornings. The milk texturing system is very consistent. Why I didn't like it. It requires regular cleaning to keep the touchscreen spotless. The higher cost may not suit casual drinkers. Number 3. Best for simplicity, KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine is designed with simplicity in mind. It's compact, intuitive, and reliable for everyday use. An easy and practical choice for those who want quality espresso without extra steps. Features about KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Sleek design that saves counter space. One-touch brewing for espresso and lungo. Adjustable milk frothing arm. Easy-to-use controls. Why I like it. The one-touch brewing is efficient. Consistency in espresso shots makes it beginner-friendly. Frothing is simple but effective. Why I didn't like it. Lacks advanced customization options like grind adjustment. May not satisfy users who enjoy experimenting. Number 4. Best for milk variety, Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8 with milk attachment. The KF8 excels at milk-based drinks. From cappuccinos to lattes, it ensures cafe-quality froth every time. Perfect choice for those who prioritize milk-based drinks. Delivers excellent froth with reliable results. Features about Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8 with milk attachment. Automatic milk attachment for foam and steam. Dual spouts for brewing 2 drinks together. Adjustable strength and temperature options. Touch control for preset drinks. Why I like it. Milk frothing is rich and smooth. Great for anyone who drinks cappuccinos or flat whites daily. Dual spout saves time. Why I didn't like it. Cleaning the milk system can be a little demanding. The size is better suited for larger kitchens. Number 5. Best Premium Pick, Jura E6 Platinum 15465. The Jura E6 Platinum defines luxury in espresso brewing. Swiss engineering ensures precision and elegance in every cup. A high-end machine with unmatched performance. Best suited for enthusiasts ready to invest in professional-grade coffee. Features about Jura E6 Platinum 15465. Pulse extraction process for full flavor. TFT color screen with simple navigation. Smart filtration for pure water. Automatic milk system for cappuccinos and lattes. Why I like it. Shots come out smooth and balanced every time. Build quality feels premium. Automation reduces the effort without lowering quality. Why I didn't like it. The premium price may not fit every budget. Maintenance reminders can feel frequent. Professional espresso machines bring the cafe into your space. Whether you prefer a smart touch, simplicity, or milk-based drinks, one of these 5 models will fit your needs. Choose based on lifestyle and taste, and every cup will feel like a crafted experience.